What's going on, peeps? And we got two videos, knocking them back to back. We got two videos. I'm actually wearing the same shirt as the last one because it is the same day that we installed the coilovers. I just got home and I decided to do my second video over at Adrian's house to install the coilovers. And I just came over and I said, you know what? I was done. I came and I took a nap. I hear somebody. I think it's my little helper. My dog always follows me out here. I came over, I took a nap, and then I said, let me go ahead and install the VIN tag and install the JDM flare. He didn't come over. Look at him. I'm gonna find out what's going on. And yeah, just wanted to do the little quick VIN tag installed. Show you guys how I put the flare, because I mounted the flare exactly where it goes on the EK9 Type R. And yeah, that's about it. I actually, for the VIN tag, excuse me if I put the camera down, just kind of holding it with the tripod. For the VIN tag, which is this one right here, you guys have seen it. It goes right here. This is the, you all know, is the cooling plate from Circuit Hero, and this goes there, which is one of the final pieces that, man, I really wanted to get. I don't know, I'm just a freak about details. I'm a freak about these little things. I'm a freak about having all the little details, but I think that's what makes the car at the end of the day when you build it and all that stuff. Gotta get a new battery, but let's do this. And I actually have a rivet gun that Adrian lent me, and that's what you have to do. You have to rivet them in there. I know it is a little bit dirty, but I felt that if I put it in, and then I would scrub it down, it would be better, and I could have a better chance of cleaning it. And you know, it's actually been held down so I could hit it up and clean it. So yeah, let's go ahead and fix that now, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I put it on. If you guys don't know how to use the rivet gun, this is how it works. I want to do a little detail on how to show you guys. So basically, this goes in there. There's a little hole right there, kind of goes into the rivet. You punch it a couple of times and it breaks it off. If you have a bigger one, there are different bigger holes there, so you just have to take it out from there. Sorry about that. You have to take it out from here and screw it onto the top. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and hit them. Let's break them off. I think this is the correct one. I'm not really sure. I believe so it is. We'll look at it now. If it's not, then I'll have to change it. And yeah, man, little EK3 Type RI, little VIN tag. Let's go ahead and install it. Alright guys, sorry I had to get on a phone call. So the rivets are on, and that's it. And then I'm just gonna clean it off. Get something to clean it off, maybe like a little toothbrush or something. And yeah, that's about it. That's kind of how it looks. I'll put it away so you guys can see. Little model VIN tag cover there. Just little accessories, man. I really love them. I really have to clean the back of the engine bay. Me and Adrian really cleaned it, but I guess it got dirty from time. And yeah, let me show you the road flare. The road flare is actually pretty dirty. I gotta clean it up too. And yeah, I'm gonna show you where I put it. Is actually on the kick panel on the passenger side. And yeah, that's about it. This is probably the smallest install video. Let's go ahead and get the road flare. I'll show you guys how to mount it and what I did to mount it when you don't have, because the USDM kick panel doesn't really have like the mounting for it. So I had to make like a few little holes in order for it to mount it, but I'll show you guys what I did just in case you guys ever get the little roll flare and you want to mount it and you're into the JDM accessories like I am. You guys can be able to mount it yourself. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so for the road flare, this was actually from Toyota. I might end up ordering another one from Japanese Service Parts. I have them on Instagram. They actually sell the road flare for like about 10 bucks. Might end up getting another one just because this was faded or whatnot. So on the EK9 Type R, the mounting kit, this is the mounting kit for the road flare. You know, it comes mounted. This is the USDM plastic. So what I did was I drilled two little holes. One because there's a little stud guide on the left one, and then the other one I just ended up putting a little screw to hold it, and you pop in the road flare like that, and it just stays on the kick panel, and that's how it comes in Japan. So let's go inside the car and let's put it on so you guys can see it. All right, so the kick panel goes right there. This is where your ECU would go. I'm actually looking into getting a Checker Sport ECU holder, just so I could put it here on the side where the floor is. The car is obviously super dirty. I need to wash it. I actually need to move it. Need to get a battery, hopefully get a battery by this week. Get it out and start driving it and start doing everything again. I definitely need to do the headliner. But yeah, let me go ahead and put the kick panel so you guys can see how it looks and how it sits. I don't have the tab for it to hold it in the back. I kind of have to either go to Honda and sort that out. And yeah, that's about it. I have a little piece of screw. And this is where your flare would go. And that's how it sits. That's how it mounts. I need to tuck those cables in the back. And when you pull that back, that's how your road flare would mount when you're sitting on it. And yeah, man, definitely still need to get a bunch of stuff. I need to get some door panels and that speaker. And that's where your road flare would mount. Car is still very minty, you know. Love my interior. Still got my little radio tucked in there. And yep. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, it goes a long way. Hope you guys like the install for the coilovers. Let me get out, this is a little bit dark here. Hope you guys like the install for the coilovers. Make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up. And yeah, man, rolling out the videos and hopefully the parts keep coming in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to subscribe.